we're going to talk about the program guide that's included with your IPTV service. To begin, if you'll press the guide button on your remote control, that'll bring up the program guide and it will start on the channel that you're currently viewing. So navigation's fairly straightforward. You have your up-down keys and your left-right. Those can be used to scroll through the actual guide. And then you can scroll right to see and go through the day's channels, and scroll left to go back where you started. And then when it goes over to the channel number, that's where you're hitting the current program that's on there right now. You can scroll a page at a time by using the channel up and down buttons, page up and page down. And so that'll go a page at a time through the guide. If you want to see information on the program that's currently selected, we'll find one here. Press information, and that'll bring up a little more details about the current show that you're looking at. To skip forward to the next day, you can use the fast forward button, and you'll notice it's going through the next day, and there are up to 2 weeks of data loaded in here. And once you hit where it says no info available, that's where we're beyond what the guide has loaded in it. So we can go forward there and see what's coming up on multiple days, and then you can use the rewind button to come back to the current day. If you wish to look at a channel and see just that channel's guide information, you can scroll back to the channel and highlight that and press OK. And that will give you a list of just that channel, and you can use the page up, page down buttons for the channel buttons to scroll through and just look through what's coming up just on that one channel. And then once you're done there, you can press guide, and that'll take you back to the guide.